I wish if I was home, I would have had two contracts. I probably would have cut one off there and let the other one run to like a 3-to-1 risk to reward. But I ain't mad about it. It was still a good trade.
That's it.
What's going on, Victor?
Hello, Kevin. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna be looking for another trade setup right over here, guys. Gonna be looking for another short position.
I got
Rally goes rally.
Drop base drop.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Same difference.
When it breaks the swing high on the
Um,
left.
Swing low over here. So this is
Yeah.
the swing lows. No, but what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this candle to close green with a small body so I could short it and put my stop loss here. I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. Go like that to that. That's what I'm looking for. So I'd enter the next candle.
I'm looking because I have a supply zone. No, demand zone.
Oh, we're going
Um,
higher. You got a
on the
demand
2
zone?
Yeah, on the 2 hour. Q Q 2 hour on the left. There you go. July 13th.
Let's see. A 2 hour from when? July 13th?
Yeah.
But wouldn't that demand zone be broken by now?
Yes. Let me send you a screenshot.
Yeah. July 13th. So here's July 13th. So I got some zones down here, but those zones are pretty far. What time is it 5 minute wise? We got a few seconds on the 5 minute.
Come. Okay, so I have.
Watching this candle. This candle's looking pretty strong at the moment. But yeah, if you want to send that screenshot, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, on NQ. Oh, I thought we were looking at ES.
Oh, no.
I'm not taking that short. That candle was too strong.
Mm.
But on NQ, let's see. 2 hour. Yes, good call. So I don't really have it on trading view, but yes, that does look like it would be a 2 hour demand zone right there. Sort of. Yeah, on trading view it does sort of have it too actually. Like right here. Very small. It would probably be like a 3 hour on trading view. I noticed that a lot of times we won't get the same exact zones, but we'll get like the time frame might be a little different on what the zone is. Like let's see what the 3 hour is. No. 1 hour? Not so much. 90 minute. Yeah, I guess like a 2 hour or 90 minute would work there.
I see on your chart it's already.
What was that?
I see on your chart it's already broken a bit. But yeah, let's see how it's.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. What's going on, YouTube? Bro, it's lost five. Oh no, still in position, but 240 up stock. What are you saying? Should I hold up until next week and you have a look at the stock? Yeah. Give me 1 sec. How do I expand this? There we go. And what stock are you looking at? Up? UP? Sky Bear, what are you looking at, bro? Are you looking at the you looking at the stock up, UP? Yes, okay. What price did you buy it? Because what I'm seeing right here, 233. 233. Oh no, did you buy it on this wick over here? On this pump candle right here, that's tough, man. We never want to be, that's why I always say we got to be careful when we look at stocks and when we chase a trend. That's why supply demand helps, because supply demand helps us to find where the bottom could potentially be, where the tops could potentially be, where pullbacks could potentially be. Um, Ooh, my mic just went all weird. I would honestly, this is a bit of a tough read. It looks like right now we're in a bit of a range. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Where's the channel tool? Channel. Whoa. Yo, where's the channel tool? Parallel channel, here we go. Let's break it down to the 2 hour, something like that. It looks like we have a bit of a channel from there to there. If we look left, this was a key level. So, I mean, it could come back up to about like 240, go profitable. But I'd be careful on that trade. I definitely, again, I don't know if you checked out our webinar from this past weekend, but I was going over that when you get in a trade, we have to be able to accept the loss before we even enter the trade. We want to be able to say, okay, if I enter this trade, this is my profit, this is my loss. If I lose on this trade, it's not going to hurt me. If I win on this trade, it's going to be great, period. We want to have a good risk to reward so that when we hit our reward, it's phenomenal, and when we hit our risk, it doesn't hurt. But a bit of a tough stock. Wheels up experience. I'm not too familiar with this stock, so I don't want to give you that much of a rundown on it. But it looks like if we hold this key level down here around like the $2 area, maybe if you want to get more in the position at the $2 area and put your stop loss completely at like 194. But that's a bit of a tough range, right? Because we don't want to be buying at the highs and selling at the lows. We want to be buying at the lows and selling at the highs. Alright, let me hit back to ES, NASDAQ. Let's move this up here. I'm gonna look to take this trade. VIX is sort of pushing lower. What's VIX doing?
I'm in it, Kevin. Just do it.
Do it? Just do it? Alright.
I was in it before, so yeah, just do it.
Alright, wick back to my entry. Alright, I'm in it. Stop loss is minimal. I'm not a big fan of it right now, but I am going to stay a little patient. I got you, Sky Bear, no problem. Yeah, I'm definitely not a big fan of these shorts at the moment. Just because VIX does look like it wants to go higher. I need NASDAQ to start getting weaker. I also need to pull up my equity chart, to be honest. I'm going to move my stop loss a pip above, a tick above this wick right here in case it wants to do a quick stop hunt. But I am in a short position right now. Waiting on the world to change. Waiting on the sell-off to happen. Big dumps, give us a big dump. Yeah. Yo, make me a winner today, market. Did you guys catch the webinar this weekend? Or do I have to ban you from the server?
Yeah, I was watching it.
Yo! Let's go.
Just watching it before the market opens, but now market, but I'll finish it today.
Nice. Risk to reward on this is, oh, 40-60. Alright, I'll move my take profit down there. Getting a little wicky at the moment. You know, buyers have been strong lately. We have been in a more of a bull trend, bull market lately. So just being careful on these short positions. Staying patient. I had my entry. I'm waiting for us to close on the 5. We got 2 minutes on that. My stop loss is up here. So just staying patient. That's all we can do. And if it hits my stop loss, it don't matter. I like Nasdaq's getting a bit weak. I want to check out what Tesla, see what equities are doing. Need Tesla to start rejecting, right? Because Tesla, look, it could be in a range. Tesla could reject for us. Google could reject for us. Meta's rejecting already. Apple's rejecting. And Microsoft coming off a VWAP. Staying patient in this, guys. Got a minute 20 in this 5-minute candle. It's funny. I really like TradingView for its like long and short position and just its platform in general. But I like TOS in the sense of it has better like it's got better, what's it called? It's got better qualities of like of order flow and stuff. And order flow is super important when you're trading. I wonder what Jeremy's thinking, bullish or bearish. I always wonder what he's doing because like it's like we're two different traders and yet we both found our niche, we both found our edge. But I like to be aware of what like other people are thinking in the market, you know? Come on, give us that big dump again. Nice hefty dump. Leave people in the dust. This trade's gonna be a 3-to-1. Could probably make this trade. This is 4.6-to-1 on that. Not a fan of this right here. That's like a rally base and a potential rally right there. But this morning we tried that and we failed. So I am gonna be a bit patient. Let it play out. Let it do its thing. I have my stop loss. Everything in the middle, everything in between from my stop loss and my target is just noise. We either hit my target or we hit my stop loss, period. What's going on, C-Trader?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? I wish I held that short this morning longer, but yo, I was literally in an Uber and I'm like, nah, this is a 2-to-1. I'm gonna take profits. I know where I'm gonna get out. And I ain't mad about it. 2-to-1 risk to reward. That was a good trade. I'll take it any day. Oh, but it could have been, 5-to-1 or whatever. Whatever. It don't matter. Alright, Nasdaq getting weak. VIX trying to push higher. Nasdaq's having trouble holding lower. We really need that dump. Gonna be watching equities here. We need Tesla to start going down. Good Google's pushing lower. This is the weighted stock. I'm watching that too. Coming up near my stop loss. That's okay. Ah, stop me out. Alright, that's fine. You know why? Because that was my one risk, and I made 2 rewards earlier, so I'm still green today, right? I'm still heavily green today. Now I'm gonna just be patient. Not liking the structure and equities right now. It still does look weak, but it stopped me out, so I'm not gonna short it again. I'm gonna stay patient. I'm gonna wait. Remember, I said I didn't like this because it looked like a rally, a base, and then a rally. Got 2.5 minutes, a little over 2.5 minutes left. Gonna wait for the candle to close. VIX looks like it wants to go lower, which is bullish. Let's delete this. Let's try to get long position valid, right? So let's see if we can get an entry there. Target up here. And stop loss right there. Big pumps. Staying patient. No reason to jump in. Strong pumps. VIX is looking strong too. Well, VIX is looking weak. We want a weak VIX, a strong ES, strong NQ. Do we have any divergence going on? A little bit, right? Look, we got, yeah, we got divergence actually. We got right here. Where are we? Right here to here. And right here. Oh, come on. Here to here. So we do have that bullish divergence there. So again, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for us to get a little bit of a pullback, and I'll try to enter around here. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? Guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We go live Monday, Wednesday, Friday for y'all on YouTube, and we go live every day for our members, Cash Trades Daily. I don't want to be getting long up here, because if we wick down, that's going to wreck, and that's going to also sway my risk to reward. If I get long up there, you know, if I get long up here, I got to keep my stop down here, and it's like, that's a 0.3. That's not even a 1-to-1. So what I'm also going to look for, guys, what I was interested in earlier, let me delete this for a second. Delete this too, because I already took that trade. We could potentially see... where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I gotta figure out like where everything is here. There we go. Maybe we get like a drop, come down, create a and then go lower, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. I'm gonna look for a retest of the 458225. Gonna let this candle play out. No reason to chase it. Especially after that pump. We don't want to be shorting a bullish move. Give us a nice 3-to-1 on this trade. There we go. I was gonna say we could probably even just go long there and scalp it, but let's wait, let's wait. I want to open TOS, get my indicators and stuff. Would you guys rather Thinkorswim or TradingView? And don't say it's up to me because I have 4 monitors. So it's up to you guys, whatever you guys prefer to watch.
I mean, I have TOS up, but it's nice to have Trading View since I don't have Trading View.
Got you. What's going on, Amit? Welcome to our Discord. Welcome to our community. Hold up. I want to see how's our buying selling indicator, volume indicator doing, right? Bullish right there. Stay patient, stay patient, stay patient. Copy this. Paste. Alright, we're getting a pump, getting a pump. Whoa! Damn, I was right about to hit create order. Alright, we'll be patient, we'll wait. Because you know what it is now, if we wait for this candle to close and it gives us some type of shooting star pattern, we could take it short wherever it closes with our stop loss right at the top. So we're going to wait. If it does pump higher again though, I'm going to look to take it right there. If it gives us another bump up to there, I'm definitely probably going to take a short position. I'm definitely probably. I'm creating the limit order. I want that. I want it, the market wants it. We're filled. Filled me heavier than I wanted. Of course it did. I don't know why it's set on 2. Would have rather started my starter position with 1 contract because I did not let the candle close, but we have 20 seconds left, and if we get the candle closure I'm looking for, I'll be able to move my stop loss to near break even and make this a great trade. Four seconds, 3 seconds. Not liking how it closed. Would have preferred like there or something, but that's okay. Still in it. Doesn't mean I'm not in it. Moving my stop to near break even. I'm gonna let this thing run. Ooh, wicks. Some buying pressure and selling pressure coming in right now, so I'm staying patient. I might look to maybe get out of 1 contract, just in some profit. My stop loss is literally 3 ticks away, so the loss would not be that bad. Buying pressure coming in. Don't like that. Depreciated YM looking weak though. Definitely liking that. But I don't like Nasdaq's trying to push higher. Again, just staying patient on this. And if it does a crazy pump, I have my stop loss. I'm good. Putting my stop loss a tick higher. 2 ticks higher, actually. Because if it stop hunts, I don't want to be stopped out and then for it to continue in my direction. Okay, I do think we're going to reject here. And the reason for that is because if we look at NASDAQ on my ES, on the TOS charts, this was a broken 90-minute, and a lot of times I like to target the top of broken zones as areas to go short. There we go. Yes, things going. All right. All right. All right, all right. Staying patient, staying patient. 3-to-1 risk reward on this trade right now. Gives a good push. Gives a nice big hefty dump like it did this morning, creating a lower high outside of supply, right? This is a lower high now. But we keep trying to wick back up. Buyers keep trying to be present. But I'm staying patient. We just wicked off of demand. Supply. I think this candle might try to push green again. Ooh, there we go. Here we go. Prove me wrong. Keep going red. Yeah. Yes, sir. Big dumps, big dumps. Give us that. Staying patient. NASDAQ again trying to push higher. But I'm liking the area where NASDAQ is rejecting, so I'm going to be waiting. Probably going to get the dump on the next candle, but my entry was good enough. My entry's right here at this daily right here, guys. Show you. Like right there at that daily. So I'm good. I'm chilling. Equities are pretty strong right now, but not really. I guess just Meta's trying to push higher. Microsoft's also trying to push higher. Staying patient. Amazon trying to push higher. Only thing is Tesla's in an area of interest too. I'm gonna stay patient on this trade. Again, in the money. I'm green right now. I'm okay. I'm chilling. Never stress. Trading should be stress-free. We don't want to stress. And if you're stressing, you're too heavy in size, or you don't have a proper stop loss. There's a weird little gap up there. There we go. See if I need that massive drop like now. Guys, I was on Instagram, right? And this obviously I get other traders pop up on my my Instagram feed and stuff. And this one guy, dude, he was like showing his winners, and every time he was like recording a winner, be like, "F yeah, dude. Yeah, let's fucking go. Let's go." And like he's getting flamed in the comments for showing so much emotion, and then he'll like call those people names. It's hilarious. It's like, dude, don't make it too obvious you're paper trading. It's good. It's one thing to get excited for a win, right? But when you're consistent enough, you shouldn't be letting emotions get to you, because then you got to think of, well, what if he lost? Imagine how pissed off he'd be if he lost. So NQ's trying to hold up VWAP right now. But I don't think it's going to hold right. I think it's going to be a little bit of a trap. It's a trap. My TP's way down over here, guys. This is something I'm going to look to hold till it hits my take profit. I could exit here because I did hit my daily goal, but the trade setup is too high quality. I want to hold this and see if it'll play out. Considering moving my stop to break even, but I don't want to sway it, right? I don't want it to come wick back up and then dump on me. There, could you guys hear me okay? My mics keep making weird noises in my headset.
Sounds good to me.
Cool, cool. Staying patient. Part of me wants to take profits, another part of me knows we gotta let the candle close. Got 2.5 minutes left still. Meta's trying to pump right now. I like to watch equities when I'm trading, guys, because if equities are strong, it's hard to go short. I mean, I could have took profit down there. I just realized that would have been a 2-to-1 risk to reward if I had my stop loss here. But we're staying patient, guys. Starting to go against me. Staying patient. Not liking the strength it has right now. But again, staying patient. Don't want to get stopped out. Just for it to continue. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. That was a quick stop right there. Yo, I don't know what's going on with my headset. Super annoying right now. It's like super staticky. Alright, staying patient again, guys. Gonna look for another trade setup. Gonna wait. Pumping too strong. Nasdaq did hold VWAP. I didn't realize VIX was pushing lower. If I did realize that, I probably wouldn't have held as long as I did. I probably would have looked to scalp that. But we'll stay patient. Because we could still create that lower high right here. Why is my... That's so weird. Alright, I'm gonna look to enter one more, guys. Because it's still just looking weak. Obviously, it did just stop hunt me. Alright, I'm in one now. And I'm still green on the day, guys. I took one green trade for the day and took 2 reds, and I'm still green on the day. Because of how good that green trade was. Looks like we do want to go higher. But again, we're in supply. I don't want to be fighting that. Meta's getting weak. But Meta's also could be doing a rally-based rally. Staying patient. I just realized I broke one of my rules. One of my rules is I gotta wait 10 minutes before I could enter another trade after taking a loss.
On which time frame do you have that supply zone?
Daily. It says daily right here.
Yeah, I was wondering if it was a red line or not, because you have like a line and then the supply. So I was not sure.
There. The sellers keep trying to step in, which is good because we're in a supply zone. I'm definitely a little annoyed that it filled me with 2 contracts earlier, because if it didn't, I'd be even more green today with those red trades as well, but that's okay. I'm gonna stay patient. Meta's looking weak. I might look to add to this before it starts dumping on me. But I want to stay patient. I want to keep the risk to reward consistent. I'll add more to the trade once it shows it's going in my direction consistently. You don't want to add to a losing trade. You don't want to add in the middle. We want to wait. We want to add to winners. We don't know if this is a winner yet. What time is it, guys? Is it, it's 10:30 already. Damn, that's right. I got on a little late today. Here we go. Staying patient, staying patient. Up a couple points, staying patient. Nearly a 3-to-1 risk to reward on this trade. There we go. There we go. Probably gonna look to scalp the shorts. Just because we have been holding up higher and bulls have been trying to push us higher. And I'd rather lock in profits, right? Because I could always re-enter. I'm still in. Want that drop. There we go. I do want this 3-to-1 risk to reward to play out, though, so I do want to be patient. Take profit is right here. Coming down to the 9 EMA on ES right now, and we're holding. We held it last candle, but I am liking the rejection that Nasdaq's giving us. So instead of trying to exit, I'm going to let this candle close and see if I could add to this position. Oh, YouTube! I'm completely neglecting YouTube. No comments. Good. Trading is all math, guys. It's all numbers. Once we get the numbers down, like 3-to-1 risk to reward, or I want 10 points a day with 1 contract, or I want to be gaining $500 on my winners and $250 on my losers, and we're able to adjust accordingly, it really does make a difference. We're going over that in the webinar. If you guys were there, you would have known that. No, I'm just kidding. So again, we're trying to hold up. Buyers are again stepping in, and supply is not holding up well. I like Nasdaq's trying to drop through VWAP. I think it could give us a quick dump, but I don't think it will. I'm taking profits there. I'm out. I'm out, cheered. We'll be patient now. We'll wait. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute to close now, guys, because I want to see what this 15-minute wants to do. What was the 30-minute looking like? 30-minute closed bullish, right? So 15-minute, I'm gonna want to stay bullish right now. I did just enter a long position. Probably going to look to scalp. Stop loss at the candle's low. Take profit near high a day. Here we go. But I don't want to be too long. I don't want to be long for too long in this supply zone because it's still a supply zone. But that 30-minute closed bullish, which has me feeling bullish. Oof. Wicks, wicks, wicks. NASDAQ trying to go higher again. But we're getting some weakness, Oh man. Time is it? 2.5 minutes on the 5-minute candle. Staying patient. I again broke that rule. I don't know why I'm breaking my rules today, guys. You know why? Because I'm not thinking straight. I shouldn't be trading at all. I'm gonna wait for a bit of a pump higher. I think we do get one more pump before we dump, if we dump. NASDAQ getting weak. Not a fan of that, guys. Oof. Oof. What's VIX doing? VIX looks like it wants to go higher, which is bearish. NASDAQ's trying to break through VWAP. Oh, big push up. There we go on NASDAQ. Not a big one, but a push up. Probably gonna look to exit this. Again, I did take a long position. I'm red on that right now. I'm gonna look to exit this for a small loss, just a 1.5. And again, still with that loss, I'm still green on the day. Unless it gives us some crazy drop. Alright, let's see, let's wait. I did exit that long position just because I'm not comfortable with it right now. Not feeling it at the moment. Again though, 30 minutes did close bullish earlier. It's the 1 hour looking like. 1 hour. Let's see. And it did create that lower high on the 5-minute, right? Lower high, lower high. Let's see. All right, we're going to stay patient here, guys. We're going to wait. Market's being a little choppy out of the supply zone. We don't want to be caught in the wrong side. We don't want to be caught going long in supply. We don't want to be caught going short in a bull market, right? So we're going to stay patient until we get a little confirmation. Want VIX going higher, want ES going lower, and the NASDAQ going lower. But NASDAQ's trying to pump right now. Equities sort of dropping right now on Meta. Tesla rejecting key level, key area of interest. But NASDAQ still trying to stay strong. that a bull flag? I hope not. A little bit of a bull flag on the 5-minute, nothing major. Now let's see if that's trapping buyers, guys. Come on, NASDAQ, give us that drop. If NASDAQ gives us a drop, ES will be easy to follow. YM, though, is trying to go stronger. We got minute 30 in this 5-minute. Staying patient. NASDAQ looking the weakest. VIX, though, trying to push lower again. Microsoft's trying to hold a key level right now. Why isn't it letting me create a sell stop? A buy stop? That's annoying. Again, look at all these wicks now, guys. Selling pressure, a lot of selling pressure. Bulls and bears are fighting right here, guys. Again, this is something we'd want to be patient on. We don't want to be jumping in anything. If anything, a short position with our stop at highs, but other than that, not really seeing much. I don't do what I think you're gonna do. VIX trying to push lower again. Yeah, looks like bulls are trying to take control right here. Staying patient though. We want to be patient. Patience is key. Follow our trading plan. I wanted a short in the supply, so that's what I'm waiting on. But we're also waiting on confirmation, a push, some strength, something to tell us we are going to go lower. Right now, what it's telling me is that we're creating now these higher lows. Bulls are trying to take control, but we're also creating lower highs. So it's again, it's a fight in the market. We don't want to be trapped on the wrong side, because if it pops the opposite direction, it's gonna hurt. YM trying to push lower. YM being young money. I mean, the Dow Jones. Nasdaq trying to push lower. But Nasdaq sort of failing. Nasdaq potential drop base and a drop right here. So that's something I'm looking for. Again, another little bit of a clue to the downside. How much time we got left? 2 minutes in this 5 minute? Yawn. It's staying up near these levels, guys, tells me that buyers are keep trying to absorb all the sellers. Again, staying patient, don't want to rush anything, don't want to jump into anything. Just waiting. Waiting. Had that one trade this morning that kept me green. There we go. Give us a dump. You know you want to. Buyers keep stepping in though. Got a minute left in this 5 minute. NQ trying to push higher. YM getting pretty weak. If we could get YM and NQ weak, we could go down. But if they stay above, stays trying to hold higher, we might blast through the supply zone. Remember, the market needs to grab some stops. The market needs to wick people out, in and out, because it needs to grab that liquidity. Hey now. See what I'm saying? The longer we stay near this area, the more of a chance we break right through it. 20 seconds left. I need to dump these last 15 seconds. Just dump. Trap all those buyers. Trap everybody thinking we're going higher because they didn't know we were in a supply zone. I don't like that rally base rally right there, but it's not that much of a rally base rally. Staying patient. I got my Lucy indicator with me. She hasn't barked or anything yet. Alright, I'm stopped out of 2 contracts. I was short 4 contracts, so I'm waiting right now. If we could get a rapid push down, that would be great. But we're just sort of chopping higher. It's a big impulse drop. Right through the 9. It's holding the 9 EMA. I'm not a fan of the moving averages, as you guys know. But it is trying to hold it right now. But I'm hoping that's just a trap. but can't trade off a hope. There we go, there we go. Try to exit one there. Out of one. Try to exit another one, I suppose. Not liking the wicks. Buyers keep trying to step in. Two and a half minutes on this 5 minute. And as we've seen, we've been getting a lot of wicks. We need to break lower. Market's having trouble holding lower. What time is it? Staying patient. Not liking that wick on NASDAQ. Dude, NASDAQ's the only thing trying to hold us up right now.
Big fight going on.
What was that?
There's a big fight going on between bears.
Yeah. Yep. Not a fan of the 15 minute. 15 minutes sort of making me feel bullish, actually. "30 seconds. Check out the 15 minute. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Rally, base, rally. "5 seconds, 4 seconds. Yeah, I think we break through this supply, or at least break into it. Really feeling bullish based off of the 15 minute time frame. I'm probably done taking trades on the day. I gotta see how market wants to play out.
Hey, Kevin,
Hey,
how do you, what advice do you have for picking your stop loss? It's so easy to set your stop loss and get stopped out by the big guys. How do
yeah.
you do that?
I usually look for swing highs. It's tough to take it as like a like some people will do like a previous wick, and a lot of times those are the stop hunts that the market will do before we continue. So what I like to look for is like swing highs, swing lows and stuff. Like if I was entering over here, would have to put my stop loss somewhere over here. If I was entering short over here, I'd have to put my stop loss up here. But again, I'm feeling a little bit more bullish on this, although Tesla's rejecting a key level, key area. Want to stay patient because, again, we're chopping right now. We don't want to be stuck on the wrong side of the market. We don't want to get ran over. Nasdaq finally getting weak. YM though pushing higher, so if Nasdaq could start to push higher too, I think we might break a new high a day. VIX wants to push lower, that's bullish. Minute 58 on this 5-minute candle. Again, VIX does look like it wants to go lower. Market's trying to push higher. There we go. Let's see if it wants to make a new high of day. HOD, high of day. There we go. I hate that I can't be scalping these. Scalps are... The market's like being annoying for some reason. Not the market, but trading view. Got a minute left in this 5-minute. Staying patient. Buyers did just show their strength. If Nasdaq could try to push higher too, I believe we might get a push higher. There we go. Keep getting these wicks. Gotta be careful with those. We don't want to be, again, we don't want to be the liquidity grab. We don't want to be the liquidity, we want to use the liquidity. 15 seconds in this 5-minute. Nasdaq got weak. The Dow keeps trying to go higher. VIX wants to go lower. I'm gonna try to scale out of one contract. I'm out of one contract. Holding 2 left? Yeah, 2 left. Stop at break even. Stress-free trades are the best trades. YM made a new high a day, but it's trying to reject. Nasdaq looks like it does want to pump. Ooh, rejection. Staying patient though, this candle just opened up. Oh, you know what? We do have divergence. Not YM just made a high a day. Stay patient. Divergence hasn't really been working out too well lately too, so I'm not too keen on that right now. What time is it, guys? 11 already? Maybe a double top up here. Nasdaq looks ready to go down, but Nasdaq has been holding near VWAP. YM looking ready to dump. VIX looks like it wants to go lower. VIX had a key level though. See if that's a stop hunt, guys. There's that static again. Oof. Oof. Lessons on why we don't fight supply. NQ at key level on my trading view at least. Don't have a key level there on TOS though. That's what I don't like about having two trading platforms too. It sort of sways your could sway your bias. I want this candle to close inside supply. Because I wanted it to be a bear trap. I want this long wick to be wicking people out like you mentioned, like you asked before, right? Where do you put your stops? I don't like putting them at previous candles because stuff like this happens. And let's say you wanted to enter when we broke this candle, you would have entered, you would have got wicked right back up. But this could be a potential liquidity grab candle. But I don't think so. But what do I know? Time on this candle, less than a minute on this 5-minute candle. YM trying to push back higher again. Come on, yes, you know you want to go higher. If this candle closes below, though, I'm going to be looking for a bear play. Again, we got to wait for that candle to close. We got 25 seconds left. And lately, whenever we're about to close, we've been wicking right back up. Four, three, two, one, blast off. See what I'm saying? Looking for a bear play now, but I wanted that to be a liquidity grab to the bear side, so I wanted those people to get stopped at when we pump higher. But it doesn't look like we want to do that yet. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Staying patient. Very choppy. Don't want to be caught up on the wrong side. Oh, I don't like NASDAQ's drop right there. Looks like it's ready to dump, but we gotta stay patient. Remember, we would have wanted to short up here when we broke that. We gotta stay patient, gotta wait. Because now, look, our wicks are still higher. NASDAQ looks ready to jump, though. Meta, potential drop-based drop on the 5-minute. But Tesla's trying to push higher, but it's in a key area of interest right now. Yo, that's static, man. I gotta figure that out. So at the moment, right, this is the bottom of the range, this is the top of the range. So going short down here would not be the best idea. Maybe going long down there might be an idea. Now we're back near the middle of the range. YM trying to push higher. A lot of divergence going on. YM will try to push higher while NASDAQ tries to push lower, and then vice versa. So really staying patient on this. So we get YM to continue lower with NASDAQ. It's going to be easier for ES to sell off. NASDAQ also wants to keep trying to wick. There we go. I'm not trusting this downside move, guys. Not yet, at least. Yeah. Definitely not a fan of it, but staying patient. Alright, we're back at that daily supply level. Yeah, bulls are just like taking it today, guys. Remember what I said, this bottom of the range, we wouldn't want to go short here, we would have wanted to go long here. But now we're near the top of the range again. Yo, this static, guys, I'm so sorry. It's just very aggravating. Sheesh. That's great. I hope somebody took that long down there.
Static is just on your side. Could
Yeah.
be just in your head. It's the
Everything's
voices. When the voices go quiet, all you hear is static.
everything's all in my head. All right, we're back up here now. Now this is the top of the range. We don't want to be going long up here because we could end up just wicking right back down. Got a minute and a half on this 5-minute candle. What time is it? It's 11, quarter after 11. What are the 15-minute? What's 30 minutes doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Right, that rally, base rally might be going on. 30-minute. What's a 30-minute looking like? Wait and see, wait and see. I might just need a new headset.
Try unplugging and plugging it back in.
Yeah.
It's just a secret military trick. So we fix most things. We turn it off and turn it back on.
Yo, I never heard of that one.
Literally, that's the majority of my job. Either turn it off, turn it back on, or swap it out.
20 seconds left. Damn. I was gonna say it's looking like it's gonna pop. Don't want to be chasing up here, but it is looking more bullish. See if we get a pullback to give us a good entry. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Look at that, VIX is still pushing lower. Big impulse, big liquidity grab there. And the reason that's a liquidity grab is only if our candle closes like this after it wicked this high. Just stay patient, waiting for it to close. Do do do. Too strong. All right, YouTube folks, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Do appreciate you guys tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And always, my bad, Skybear. I didn't see your comments. Yo, man. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, Skybear, if you're ever in a trade position and you don't know what to do and the loss is getting to you, you gotta exit that immediately. The one thing we could control is where we exit, right? And maybe size down on the next trade, right? But I'm sorry to hear, man. I wouldn't have missed your message if you were part of the community. It was my bad. I got 4 monitors up here. I got charts on 3 of them. I try to keep the Discord on the 4th one, along with the YouTube, but the YouTube got in the way. Guys, don't forget to Apex has that save 80 running. I think it ends at the end of the month. I wish they had saved 90. That one's my favorite. Obviously, it's more. But alright, YouTube, appreciate you guys for tuning in again. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great trading day. Don't overtrade. Don't trade too heavy. Make sure we stay cool, calm, collective. Don't forget, check out our webinar from this weekend. I ended up hosting it on Sunday instead of Saturday, just because I had some stuff going on Saturday. But I got to figure out a topic for this week's webinar. All right, so we got equities starting to reject, guys. But look at Nvidia, dude. That's a pump right there. All right, take care, YouTube. Have a good one, guys.